Okay, okay. Let's start with understanding the Git. Git is nothing but version control system, right? So Git is nothing but. Can someone close the door? Uh, so now let's take an example. You have a project. Project will have multiple testers. You have a project. Project will always have multiple testers. Now, let's say I'm the tester. I have written some automation coding, and you all are other testers. You have written your automation coding. So we discussed about integration testing, right? So what are we doing in integration testing? We are trying to combine everyone's code. So what we generally use this version controlling system. There are so many version controlling systems available in the market. Git is one of, like how we have multiple test management tool, how you have multiple defect management tool. Similarly, you guys also having multiple version control system tools. Like Git is one of the tool. TFS is another tool. There are some multiple tools. Most probably I used Git and TFS, so I know these two tools. So mostly used ones are the Git in the market. Most of the projects are using. It's not like, I would say most dominating tools in the market are Git and TFS. TFS is from the Microsoft people. Okay. So TFS is purely license version. You have to pay it, buy it, and then use it. So which I cannot do it. That's one reason why we are not going to TFS in the training. And Git is open source. I can just go ahead and download and use it for free of cost. Okay. Then whenever we write automation coding, I have given you the list of how it is going to happen. Git in real time. Okay. So every version controlling tools you guys are taking will always have some terminology of the words. Or to create Cucumber, just create normal project. Just create Maven project. You already have a nodes. I already given. Did I put yesterday Cucumber project in Google Class? Okay. Today I'll put it Cucumber project. You can import. Okay. Now, whenever you have, oh, how many people are raising hands? Okay, Sai Krishna, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, morning.
Sir, tomorrow I have a interview about manual testing.
Okay.
Can you share me interview questions?
Interview questions along with the answers already there in Google Class. You can just refer them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So now every version controlling system will have some terminology of the words. Now you have something called push, pull, check in, check out. So you'll always have terminology of the words called push, pull, check in, check out. If you use Git, we call it as push and then pull. Push in the sense, whatever code I have written, I have to push it to the Git. Whatever code you guys have written, you have to push it to the Git. Let's take an example. Today is the day one. I'm the tester one. Okay. We all are working for Agile project. It doesn't matter Agile or waterfall. I'm just giving I am the tester. I am on the day one of my project and tester one. I got user story for login. I got user story for login. So I have automated my code on the day one. I automation completed for login. Okay. So what I have to do, push my code to Ashok branch. What is a branch? Branch is like a folder. Whatever folders you guys see in our computer, you will have different folders, right? C drive, D drive, under C drive, you will have some different folders. Similarly, branch means every version controlling system has an option to create a branch. Means I have 100 testers. There will be 100 branches. There will be one branch called master branch. One branch called master branch. And all these are individual branches. I will have one branch with my name. You will have your branch with your name. Every tester will have one branch is created. So I'm the day one. My branch name is Ashok. Every tester name, one branch. Every tester name is one branch. Okay. So I have tester one, I automated code that is there in my local machine. Whatever I automated my code that is there in my local machine. What I have to do, I have to push my code to Ashok branch. Where is Ashok branch available? Ashok branch is available in Git. So whenever you join a project, if you are putting into a automation project, they always give you access to the Git. It doesn't matter Git or TFS, any version controlling tool they are using, they will give access to it. So what I'm saying is, so whenever you join a project, you will get a user story, and on your name, one branch will be created. On your name, one branch will be created. And always remember, other testers also will have their own individual branches. So every tester is responsible to do automation, and whatever automation code they have written, they have to push that code into their branch. Yeah, we call in Git, we call it as a push. If you go to TFS, we call it as a check-in. Check-in, check-out. Push, pull. Okay. So when I say push, my code is pushed to where? Ashok branch. Whatever Ashok branch I am having, all my code is pushed to my own branch. Then push code to master branch. So who will push code to master branch? Whenever I push my code to my branch, there almost all the projects will have a senior most tester who is into automation. Don't expect every project should have an architect. It differs to project to project. There may be an architect, but there will be at least one or two senior people will be there. So whatever code Ashok has written, once I push my code into branch, there will be an option called reviewer. I'm literally telling you what you guys do once you get into a project. It's purely 100% practical, real what you do. You write automation code, push it to your branch, select a reviewer. Whatever automation code is prepared by you, there will be a reviewer. Who will be reviewer? Senior person or architect. Then always remember, don't push your code to master branch. Never ever do that mistake. If you do some directly push your code into master branch, if your code is creating some problem, that will lead into entire project affected. Entire project will be affected. So you always have to push your code only to your branch. Once you push your code to your branch, then you need to select the reviewer. So who is my reviewer? Example, let's say, yeah. Let's say, what's your name? Example, Hemant. Let's say Hemant is architect for this project. Once I push my code to Ashok branch, what Ashok will do, Ashok will select Hemant as a reviewer. So what Hemant has to do, I'm giving the role of Hemant, senior person in the automation, or can be an architect. So what Hemant will do, Hemant will review my code. Once Hemant feels my code looks good, then he can push it into master branch. If he is having any problem with my code, he will reject my code. He will not, how defect can be rejected, same way your code also can be rejected. Once your code is rejected, Hemant will put some comments. Hemant will be putting some comments saying this is not good, that is not good, XYZ, whatever. Then I will get an email. I have to go to this Git again, check what comments are given, update it, and again check in into Ashok branch and assign a reviewer as Hemant. Then that time Hemant is fine. Then what Hemant will do? Hemant will push my code into master branch. That is the day one tester one. Is it clear or any questions? Okay. So now day two, I have tester two. Example, she is the tester two. What's your name? Sorry, I forgot. Tejasri. So Tejasri is one more automation tester. She write the code for reset pin. She has written code for reset pin. So whatever coding reset pin she has written, day one, tester one, Hemant is architect. He reviewed my code is already in master branch. Now day two, she has written automation code. She will push into her own branch. What will be the branch name? What will be the branch name? Your name only. Tejasri, you said, right? There will be one branch created, Tejasri automated code, and she will put code into Tejasri branch and then select reviewer as Hemant. So what Hemant has to do? Hemant has to review the coding what Tejasri has written. If he is fine, then push that code to master branch. So master branch is having how many test cases now? Test case 1 from Ashok, which is for login. Test case 2 from Tejasri, which is from reset pin. So now that integration of both the codes, my code and Tejasri code, is already available in the master branch. Now day 3. Okay. Day 3, again, Ashok has got one more user story. So what is the user story? Adding the beneficiary. Before adding the beneficiary, we understood push, right? Push and check-in both are same. Okay, let me add it. Push or check-in. So you don't have to worry, anyhow, they will explain you. If you're getting it, it's good. If you're not getting it, also good. Always remember, these are not at the fresher level. It is very risky to the project itself. If they are not properly explaining you this source management or version controlling, project will be in trouble. They know that risk. So they have to explain you how to push, how to pull. Definitely they will you explanation. Before to that I'm giving, it might help you when you are listening it for the second time. So day 3, what Ashok has to do, I need to pull the code. Pull the code or checkout. Pull the code. Push means you are pushing into Git. Pull the code means you are pulling it from the Git. Checkout means you are checking out from the Git. Push, pushing it to Git. Pull, pulling it from the Git to your local machine. Now on the day 3, what I will do, I'll go to my office again as usual. I'll use push. Sorry, I will use pull, or TFS is simpler and easy. TFS, you can just right click on your project, just say checkout. When I say checkout, whatever is there in the TFS server, it will get that latest code. Now, when I'm pulling or whenever I'm checking out, it will get one test case already mine and one test case from Tejasri. Because from when you are pulling, where you have to pull it from master branch. Don't pull it from Ashok branch. Ashok branch is already there in your machine. So when I'm pulling it, I have to pull it from the master branch, because master branch contains every tester's code. Then when I pull it or when I check out, test case 1 from my side, test case 2 from Tejas's side, also available in the my local machine. Then on day 3, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add beneficiary test case. Let's say I automated day 3, add beneficiary test case, then push it to Ashok branch. Again, assign it to Hemant. What Hemant will do? Hemant job again, review it. If it is matching, push it to master branch. If it is not matching, reject it with proper comment. Then otherwise he will push it into master branch. Now tester 2, Tejasri. Tejasri, what she is doing, she wanted to automate transfer funds. On day 3, Tejasri, what she has to do early morning when she goes or I go to office, pull the code. Every day, remember, push, pull, check in, check out, or common. Every day you have to do. To pull, day morning you go, pull the latest code from master branch. And then once you have automated coding, before leaving for the day, if you are completed, push it to your own branch. You don't need to push incomplete code. Try to complete it, run it, make sure it is working fine, then push it. That's how what we are going to do. Now day 3 only, but on-site people. I have some testers at US or Canada. What they do, my day ended. Now my code is pushed. Tejasri code is also pushed, and everyone's code is pushed into the master branch. When my day is ending, their day starts. You know the time zone in US, right? My time is ending, their day starts. When their day starts, let's assume what they will do, once the day starts, they need to pull the latest code. When they are pulling the latest code, I have automated 2 test cases. She has automated 2 test cases. They will get 4 test cases from the master branch. Okay. So then what they will do, tester 4 from US automates one more user story called raising checkbook request. Class already started. I don't know whether you just on it and went off the computer. I don't know. Okay, fine. So again, tester will automate same on from on-site. On-site means out of India, they automate it and they put it into one their own branch. Maybe sometimes on-site people have their own architect. Offshore will have their own architect. If the on-site people does not have any architect, most of the time we'll have only one architect. What all US people, they will check in their code into their branch. They will assign their code into Hemant to review. So this is how every day task. Every day you come on the next day, you get latest code. You pull the latest code from the master branch so that you will have all testers code. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Day 4, 4 and 5 pull latest code. Every day check out, check in, pull, push. Push means simple English meaning. You are pushing it from your local machine to Git or to TFS. If it is a TFS, you say check in. You need to check in your code into TFS. Check out. You are checking out from TFS to your local machine. That's what exactly we are going to do on day wise. Okay. Page object model and keyword driven notes are not given. That is the notes already. Framework notes I have not uploaded. Okay, I'll upload it today. So this is what we are exactly going to do. Now you guys understood what is version control tool, what is a Git. Did you guys hear Git word in the market? You can put Git also to your resume saying that you are having knowledge on Git. Okay. Now let's try to understand how to install the Git. You can just go through these steps. These steps are very simple and detailedly given with the screenshot. Git installation, you'd go to here, follow the steps. Nothing you have to do. You just have to do only click on next, 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 next. And after that, it is going to ask you to, configuring these things. Click on install and click on finish. After all next, click on install. You need to click on install. Okay. Once install, click on finish. Once it is finished, no. After completing, then it will ask you this, just click on finish from the screen. Once you click on finish on the screen, you will see below screen, nothing, open the browser and type URL as shown below. So what it is asking you to type github.com. You have to enter the URL github.com. Then you need to click on, are you guys able to hear me? Are you guys able to hear me? Yeah, I think Srilata, some issue from your end. Everyone is able to hear me. I think that's why you might have asked, what is the use of Git? That is what I'm explaining. Everyone's code will be available in the Git. We learned about integration testing, right? That's how my code, your code, every tester code will be available in the Git. Full kushla. Okay. So then click on sign up, enter your email ID. So whatever you have, the Gmail ID, whatever email ID you are having, try to enter your email ID. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you to create a password. Remember your password. Okay. Then enter username and click on continue. It will ask you to enter username. Once you enter email ID, password, then it will ask you to enter username. Click on username, click on continue. Now type N. This type as shown in below and click on continue. Would you like to receive product updates? And you just say no. We don't want to get any product. Type no and click on continue. Click on start puzzle. It will ask you just to, that you are not a robo kind of authorization. They are saying to give some puzzle. They will give you some puzzle. Just clear that puzzle. and click on the create account. Once you clear the puzzle, you will get create account. Open Gmail and log in with user ID and password to confirm your account. Whatever Gmail ID you have given, go to Gmail, open it, and it will ask you from confirmation message. Just click on confirm account. Follow instructions, follow instruction given. I mean, open your email, get to your email will have detailed instruction what you have to do. Just follow that. Then type the code. You will have a code in the email. Just enter the code. Then select as shown below. So how many team members will be working with you? For you, it doesn't matter. You select any team you can find. Are you student or a teacher? You can select student or teacher, it doesn't matter. Maybe better option, go with the student. Maybe they will help you more with the helping tips, etc., etc. If you say student, click on continue, again continue, click on skip, then click on create repository. Once you log in, now what I'm saying go to git.com. I think I forgot my password. All these passwords are auto saved. That's a problem. I'm just trying to see. I forgot my password, what I have given. Let's see, because let's see, gmail.com, right? It's auto logging and I know it's not my account. My kids are using, so I'm sure I don't remember the password. Let's try if it works. Okay. This is a additional security. Confirm it's you. Okay. Yes, it's me. What it is asking? Type yes, done. Oops, oops, oops. I pressed by mistake the one. Okay, let's see if it works this time. We'll use. Nowadays, a lot of data breaching is happening, right? People are taking a lot of personal data. That's why these guys are putting a lot of security. I forgot, man. Okay, leave it. Anyhow, we'll follow the instruction. We'll. Where is the class? That side or this side? Okay. Once you click on continue, create your project. Once you log in into your email, you will get into one link, create repository. Repository means all testers, test cases will be available. Okay. Don't worry. It is not your job. Once you get into your project, they will give you access to your Git. They will only create you the project and they will show you how to push it and how to pull it. Create a repository, enter the repository name. Okay, whatever the repository, this will be all the time your project name. This will be all the time your project name. Again, I said Hemant is going to create. Hemant in the sense, whoever is the architect or senior person, it's their job. It's not the tester job, right? So once it is created, click on create repository. Repository you should see below screen. This is the screen what you guys are getting. Okay. Now it is saying push existing repository from the command line. So now what I am saying is, I am saying now go to your Eclipse. I think you already have your own project, right? Go to your Eclipse, click on this, right click, click on properties, go to this folder. Okay, just click here. It will take you to this particular folder. The same steps already given to you. Now open Eclipse, go to Jenkins and GitHub. This is my project name. That's what I am giving. Then click on this yellow one. Then it will open this folder. Double click on your project. So where is my folder which is open? It is already, what is my project? What is that? Jenkins with a GitHub, right? Yeah. Double click on your, in case if you have multiple project, it will show you all your projects. Select specific project. After selecting your specific project, right click, you say git bash here. Okay. So you have to go to your particular folder where you have, right click here and just say git bash here. You will get this option. Click on git bash here. It will take you to the command prompt. Once it is taken you to the command prompt, just follow the steps. Once it is given, you will see this command prompt screen that we are already saying. Try to git init. You just type command called git init. Git init to initializing of your, it is, I'm getting re-initializing existing because it is already initialized for me. Okay. Then after that, what you see, you will see initialized empty git. You will get this response. Okay. Go to open browser and copy paste which is shown below. So what I am asking to copy paste, just you'll get some URL. You see this URL. Try to copy this particular URL and paste it into your command prompt here. I'm not copying it. I'm just showing you the steps. Okay. So copy paste this here, go to git bash here window and paste as shown below. Whatever you copied, right? Whatever you guys copied here, try to paste it in your git bash here. Okay. Once you guys paste it, you will see the screen like this. Then type git add. Now what I'm trying to do, first I'm signing into Git. Then I logged in with my user ID and password. Then I created a repository. After creating the repository, what I'm doing, I'm going to Eclipse. Right now, Eclipse is not integrated with the, I mean, my project is not integrated with Eclipse. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to add my project code into Git. That's what I'm saying. Type git add, and you will get below response. So all these are pure commands only. Type git add and you will get below response. Type as shown below and you will get below response. So what I'm saying git commit -m added project to Git. So you will see that the project is added to Git. And then type as per the below again, git config global user dot email. Then give your email ID which you entered while creating your Git account. Okay. And then after that, type as shown below. So what I'm giving my username Ashok testing. So whatever the username I have given. Then type as shown below response. So I'm just saying, where is that response? Yeah, this one I'm saying to type git commit -m added project to Git. Follow the remaining steps as suggested. Type as mentioned git push. Push means first time I have my project, it is not entered into my Git. I'm pushing my entire project. I say git push -origin to master. Here you need to change, instead of master in your project, you need to give your branch name. Don't push ever push into master branch. Always remember, push it to your branch. Then go to Chrome browser and see code should be available there. Your code would have already added. Let's see. I think my code is already there. What is that? GitHub.com. Sign in. Sorry. Sign in. I'm thinking it is auto saved. Let's see. Yeah, it's auto saved. Which email ID I have given? Lot of verification. Yes. This for which class? Sorry? Yeah, today is the last day. You're new coming from online to offline, or you are attending online? Okay. Oh, I haven't got anything. So okay, no worries. Once you guys add it, right? This entire project, whatever entire project I have here, right? Whatever entire project I'm having here, like what was my project name? Jenkins with Git. Sorry, yeah, Jenkins and GitHub. Always remember whenever you see this symbol, okay, the greater than symbol. Do you see this greater than? There is something different here, right? This yellow color, the greater than. It means you can understand that it means this project is configured with version control tool. Version control tool can be Git or it can be TFS. It doesn't matter which tool. You will always see this greater than symbol. For your project, if you're seeing this greater than symbol, you need to understand that this project is configured with version controlling system tool. Whatever, it can be Git or it can be TFS. This will be coming only once your code is pushed into Git. And in TFS, whenever we wanted to do it, right, we just right click, you will have an option, checkout and check in. Directly you say checkout, check in. You don't need to follow all these commands and all. You don't